All right, everyone, welcome back to City Guides. Today, we're exploring Helsinki, the capital of Finland. It's a really interesting place where nature and modern life come together. Helsinki is known for being super peaceful, and it has lots of beautiful parks and cool islands. Let's take a look around and see what Helsinki has to offer. Alexander Street, named after Russian Emperor Alexander I, turns into a lively pedestrian zone on weekends. Only trams and emergency vehicles are allowed, making it safe for the large crowds. This popular street, especially in the summer, has seen many election campaigns and public concerts. It's a prime spot in Helsinki for shopping, tourism, and holiday events, and it's easy to reach by walking or public transport. Alvar Aalto designed Finland Hall, a well-known place for performances and conventions. It's covered in white Carrara marble, which is also used inside. The interior also features ceramics and hardwoods. The main hall is in a beautiful spot and is famous for its great sound. A wide Venetian staircase connects the ground floor to the chamber music hall and the large auditorium, which is another impressive feature. North of the hall, across a pretty park, you'll find the new Finnish National Opera House, which opened in November 1993. Eliel Saarinen designed Helsinki's unique Art Nouveau railway station, which is especially interesting for American tourists. His 48-meter tall clock tower was an early version of designs that later led to the Chicago Tribune Tower in 1922, one of America's first skyscrapers. The station's exterior is made of Finnish granite and features a large archway over the entrance. Two huge statues flank the archway, each holding a globe that lights up the building at night, making it a beautiful landmark. Inside, you'll see beautifully carved panels on the walls and tall arched hallways. In 1971, Alvar The Uspenski Cathedral really stands out in Helsinki's harbor skyline. Russian architect Alexei Gornostayev designed it in the 19th century. This impressive brick building has lots of towers and spires, topped with 13 golden domes. Inside, the Orthodox Church is just as amazing, with many altars, icons, and crosses. The detailed patterns on the arches look great against the marble walls, and there's a lot of gold used for decoration. Senate Square in Helsinki is a great example of the city's neoclassical architecture. The square and the buildings around it were mostly designed by Carl Ludvig Engel. 4 of his buildings are the main features of the square: the National Library of Finland, the Government Palace, the University of Helsinki's main building, and the very well-known Helsinki Cathedral. Right in the middle of the square, you'll find a statue of Alexander II, which was put there in 1894. Also, Alexander Street, which got its name from him, is the main street in the heart of Helsinki. It was named in 1833. Suomenlinna, a group of fortified islands, is a key part of Helsinki. Even though they look distant, they're only a 20-minute ferry ride away. The main feature of the islands is the Sveaborg fortification, meaning Swedish castle. It was built in the mid-18th century to keep the Russians out of the Baltic Sea. Russia captured it in the 1808 Swedish-Russian War and then expanded it. In 1918, Finland took control and renamed it Suomenlinna, or Finnish Castle. The military gave it to civilian authorities in the 1950s, and since then, it's been restored and used for culture and recreation. It's now a museum, park, and art center, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The area is open most of the year, but hours and ferry schedules can change, so it's best to check online for the latest information. The Korkeasaari Zoo, established in the 1880s, is one of the world's oldest and is well known for its successful breeding programs for endangered animals. They've had great results with big cats, like Siberian tigers and snow leopards. Like any good zoo, the animal enclosures are designed to mimic natural habitats. Nearly 1,000 plant species grow there, creating realistic environments for the 150 different animal species. The zoo is open year-round, and visiting the tropical houses is a popular winter activity in Helsinki. From May to the end of September, you can reach the island zoo by ferry. The rest of the year, you can get there by bus. The Helsinki Market Square is a really famous outdoor market in Northern Europe, right in the middle of Helsinki. It's a big paved square where vendors sell Finnish food, flowers, and souvenirs. It's also right next to the Baltic Sea, at the east end of the Esplanadi Park. You'll often see fishing boats selling fresh seafood right from the water. In the winter, the market stalls have tents, and there's also an indoor market hall open all year. Just watch out for the seagulls. They're big and sneaky, and they'll try to grab your food if you're not careful. North of Finland Hall, you'll find the Helsinki Olympic Stadium. Built in 1938, it has a 72-meter tower with amazing city views. Finland was supposed to host the Summer Olympics before World War II, but they were delayed and finally held in Helsinki in 1952. Inside the stadium is the Finnish Sports Museum, and outside the entrance is a statue of the famous Finnish Olympic runner Paavo Nurmi. To the east is the swimming stadium, and to the north is the ice stadium. In front of the swimming stadium is the municipal park, which is full of flowers in the summer and perfect for picnics. The swimming stadium is open to visitors in the summer and has excellent facilities. The Rock Church in Helsinki's Hietaniemi area is quite something. Designed by Timo and Tuomo Suomalainen in the late 1960s, the inside is actually carved right out of the solid rock of the Helsinki Peninsula. A glass dome lets in lots of natural light. The dome itself is made of copper and glass, is circular and shallow, 13 meters high, and supported by concrete ribs. The rough, unfinished rock walls give the church amazing acoustics, so it's also used for concerts. They have guided tours, and if you visit in the summer, check out the cafe for a unique dining experience. It's interesting that this building, considered one of Finland's icons, It's quite remarkable that this iconic modern building was designed by American architect Stephen Hall, especially since Finland is renowned for its own cutting-edge architects. The building's curved exterior flows seamlessly into the interior, creating ideal spaces for showcasing modern art. Inside, you'll find Finnish art from after 1960, as well as a theater for experimental music, dance, and plays. There's also a cafe and a shop on site. For a deeper understanding, you can join a public or private guided tour, which offers insights into the artwork, the artists, and the building's design. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We also have many other travel videos and playlists for you to explore. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing travel guides and adventures. Share your thoughts in the comments and let me know your dream destination. Thank you.